Alright, so guys, good morning. This is Deepak, the Two Wheels Wanderer, and welcome back to my channel again. Well, today is 17th of January 2021, another Sunday, and yes, today again we are out for a ride. New members to our riding group. This is the bypass road which goes all the way to airport, and we have to ride till Decathlon first, and there we gonna meet up again, and then because after that this highway ends, and then we have to follow a state road, a state highway which goes to the destination, which is Chandaubi. I haven't told you, Chandaubi Lake is about 74-75 kilometers from here, from the main Guwahati, and it is one of the very famous picnic spots. And this road has has almost all the posh showrooms, and yes, this road also has a detailing devils studio. Yes, we do have a detailing devils here in Guwahati. We also had a Harley Davidson here on this road previously, but after the move of Harley Davidson out of India, that studio is like a ghost house now. Alright, so guys, we are in the inner roads of I don't know which place. This is Mirza Rajapara Road, and we've been riding on this road for last 7-8 kilometers, and this bus has ruined this road for us. There's only so much space for this bus to move. There's hardly any space for us to move ahead. So apparently after Decathlon you move for about 7-8 kilometers on a good road, then you have to turn left onto an internal road, and this is that internal road. It is broken. At some places it is not even road, it's tiled pathway. अभी यहाँ से I think Chandaubi is 24 kilometers, and 24 kilometers अगर road ऐसी है, but the view is good, the weather is good, so that's why a lot of these people who are moving are going for a Sunday picnic over here. So crisscrossing through the internal roads of Guwahati, of Assam. हमने एक लेन शिफ्ट कर लिया है अभी. इन रोडों पे चलाने का भी अपना अलग मजा है, provided these are empty and smooth like this. Tea gardens finally. Well, इतने green नहीं है जितने normally होते हैं. It's probably not the highest quality of tea, probably density भी कम है, but nonetheless a welcome change to the landscape. इस टी गार्डन को नंगा कर दिया गया है, सारे पत्ते चुग लिए गए हैं और टहनियाँ ऊपर से काटी भी गई हैं. इसके बीच में कोई एडीवी बाइक ले जाके इसके बीच में ट्रेल्स में चलाने में मज़ा आएगा वैसे. Alright, and finally for the first time in the day we have Mr. Sun joining us. I think I was starting to feel a bit cold now, so it's wow. It's been lovely riding on this road, barring those few patches where we were stuck behind a bus and some broken patches. Otherwise this road ride has been lovely. Wow, this ride is getting more and more beautiful. So I think now we are approaching the area where people picnic around. I'm feeling so happy right now because with पेड़ से जो पत्ते गिर रहे हैं और सामने से गिर रहे हैं, this is looking so beautiful. 20 rupees per bike है. I'll do it sir, I'll do it. Alright, so this is the picnic spot. People have settled down for picnic.
At first we were disappointed looking at the crowd there at the picnic spot near the lake, but soon we found a lonely spot where we could enjoy the view, and the weather also took a nice turn. This place was good for a family picnic, but not something where you would find peace and solitude. For that you will have to come at odd hours, like early in the morning.
ऐसे whiskey लग रहा है पूरा.
हाँ, whiskey ऐसे मैं बोला ना सर, ये whiskey है.
How much is the इसका मतलब ज़्यादा strong होता है क्या?
हाँ,
strong है. And ये
सेम, ये थोड़ा क्या है ना,
नॉर्मल बियर्स के कंपैरिजन में कितना रहता है? वैसा ही.
वैसे ही. आपको
50 रुपीज़ हाफ अ लीटर।
इसमें कुछ मेडिसिन वगैरह कुछ नहीं रहता।
अच्छा, ये आपका पॉक है ये, और ये चिकन है।
And this is the rice beer, sir. This is rice beer.
वो क्या था?
That is liquor.
About 45 minutes here in Chandubi Lakeside. Now we heading back. We're gonna see or explore or recce few places where we are planning to get a family picnic probably in coming weeks. This road is lovely. I loved the road after that gate. So this is the Chandubi village next to the lake, and right now we are trying to find some place where we could set up our picnic whenever we plan to come. Wow, lovely ride, man. Salokia Dare Waterfalls. All right, 8 AM to 4 PM. All right guys, तो हम लोग अभी जा रहे हैं इस सीमेंटेड रोड में towards some Salokia waterfall, and unfortunately ये road is gonna be all dusty. So guys, this is the Salokia waterfall. बाली वाली फील्स आ रही है सर मेरे को। लैंडस्केप और पेड़ पौधे वेजिटेशन एग्जैक्टली ऐसी ही है वहाँ की। So guys, the Salokia waterfall has been the best find and very unexpected. And look at this, even this, other than that waterfall, the ride, the road and the landscape, wow, just wow. I think we have not touched the quite very untouched part of, you can see there's a solar panel over there, and every 200 meters you will see these dustbins. So this particular region is very environmental friendly, as you can see, and they're living in such harmony with the mother nature. So it's 1 of 5, and my last battery of GoPro will run out anytime now, but this vlog has turned quite interesting now. Wow, we have a beach over here as well. Where was this place? My God, nobody knows about this place. Look at this. Wow. People are partying over to Guruli, and that's why the locals are keeping this place a secret. Alright guys, time हो गया है 2:36 and we had taken a halt at this small dhaba called Umbrella Dhaba. It's about 5 kilometers from Chandubhi. We come from this road, and right now we're going to that road. और बैटरी थोड़ी सी रिचार्ज करी है, अराउंड 40% रिचार्ज हो गई है, दिखा रहा है मेरे को 40%, आई डोंट नो. We have set our maps to Decathlon, and what a ride it has been so far. Such a short time we have been able to explore so much of this place, of this region. I mean, we came here just for the lake, and we got so much more than we asked for. The lake and the various locations that we explored out around the lake, and then we went to that waterfall. That was the best find of the day, that waterfall. And then the beach side, the Brahmaputra beach side. I felt that we visited a little bit of Bali today and a little bit of Goa as well. Alright, so guys, 4:58 in the evening, and finally हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं वापस. वाओ, आई मीन मैं ये सुबह ही राइड शुरू कर रहा था. आई वाज थिंकिंग कि शायद इसे व्लॉग ना करूं, बिकॉज जब मैंने ऑनलाइन भी देखा चांदूबी, इट डिडंट लुक दैट एक्साइटिंग. इट डिडंट लुक लाइक इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी, यू नो, इट विल बिकम अ ग्रेट व्लॉग. सो आई वाज not very excited about vlogging today, but what a lovely day of riding we had. We had tea gardens, we had waterfall, we had riversides, we have lake. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you have not yet to my channel. I will see you in my next vlog. Till then, this is Deepak, the Two Wheels Wanderer, signing off. Ride safe.